Our childhood experiences play a significant role in shaping our love styles and patterns of relating to others in romantic relationships. The relationships we have with our caregivers during our formative years can have a lasting impact on how we perceive love, form attachments, and navigate intimate connections later in life. We will explore how childhood experiences affect love styles and provide insights into understanding and potentially reshaping these patterns. Attachment theory and love styles. Attachment theory, developed by psychologist John Bowlby, suggests that our early attachment experiences with our primary caregivers shape our internal working models of relationships. These internal models influence how we approach and engage in relationships throughout our lives. There are 4 main attachment styles that individuals typically develop based on their early experiences. 1. Secure attachment. Individuals with secure attachment styles generally had caregivers who were responsive, consistent, and emotionally available. They tend to have positive views of themselves and others, feel comfortable with intimacy and closeness, and have healthy relationship patterns. 2. Anxious attachment. Those with anxious attachment styles often had caregivers who were inconsistent in their responsiveness and emotionally available. They may have experienced mixed messages or felt insecure in their caregivers' availability. Individuals with anxious attachment tend to seek reassurance, fear abandonment, and may exhibit clingy or needy behaviors in relationships. 3. Avoidant attachment. Individuals with avoidant attachment styles often had caregivers who were dismissive, emotionally distant, or consistently unresponsive. They may have learned to suppress their emotional needs and develop self-reliance. People with avoidant attachment tend to value independence, fear intimacy, and may struggle with forming and maintaining close relationships. 4. Disorganized attachment. Disorganized attachment is a less common attachment style that arises from traumatic or abusive caregiving experiences. Individuals with disorganized attachment may exhibit contradictory behaviors, struggle with emotional regulation, and have a fear of both closeness and abandonment. Early childhood experiences and love styles. 1. Parental influence. The quality of the relationship with parents or caregivers significantly impacts love styles. Warm, secure, and responsive parenting tends to foster secure attachment, while inconsistent or neglectful parenting can lead to anxious or avoidant attachment. Parents who model healthy relationship dynamics can influence the development of secure attachment styles in their children. 2. Traumatic experiences. Childhood trauma, such as abuse, neglect, or loss, can impact love styles. Trauma can disrupt the development of secure attachment and lead to disorganized or anxious attachment styles. Individuals who have experienced trauma may struggle with trust, intimacy, and emotional regulation in relationships. 3. Family environment. The overall family environment, including the quality of parental relationships and the presence of conflict, can shape love styles. Witnessing unhealthy relationship dynamics or experiencing familial instability can contribute to the development of insecure attachment styles. 4. Cultural and societal factors. Cultural and societal factors also influence love styles. Cultural norms, expectations, and beliefs about relationships can impact how individuals form and maintain intimate connections. These factors can either reinforce or challenge attachment styles developed in childhood. Reshaping love styles. Although childhood experiences strongly influence love styles, it is possible to reshape these patterns through self-awareness, therapy, and personal growth. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Self-reflection and awareness. Reflect on your childhood experiences and their potential impact on your love style. Develop self-awareness of your attachment patterns, emotional needs, and relationship behaviors. 2. Therapy and professional support. Consider seeking therapy or counseling to explore and address any unresolved childhood issues, trauma, or attachment-related challenges. A trained therapist can provide guidance and tools to help reshape unhealthy love styles. 3. Learning healthy relationship skills. Engage in learning healthy relationship skills such as effective communication, emotional regulation, and conflict resolution. Books, workshops, and relationship education programs can provide valuable insights and strategies. 4. Mindfulness and self-care. Engage in mindfulness practices and prioritize self-care to develop emotional resilience, self-compassion, and a sense of self-worth. Taking care of your own well-being can positively impact your ability to form healthy and secure relationships. 5. Seeking secure relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and nurturing individuals who can provide positive relationship experiences. Forming healthy and secure relationships can help reshape love styles by creating new positive experiences and challenging old patterns. Remember, reshaping love styles is a process that takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and seek support when needed. By understanding the impact of childhood experiences on love styles and actively working towards personal growth, you can develop healthier and more fulfilling relationships.